right, students, you have just completed cleanup. You are sitting at the mat with your art or whatever you worked on today, and you are ready for, boop, you can just barely see it. It says Think and Share. At Think and Share, you need to think and share. Everyone was at different stations doing different things at different times in different parts of the artistic process. And it's important that we have an opportunity to tell others what we did and to listen to what others were able to do and discover. So what I want you to do is in groups of 2, 3, or 4, you're going to make a little teeny circle. And then everyone in their circle is going to show what they did. And they're going to talk about it, like show and tell when you were a little kid, which is kind of fun, right? Don't you miss it? You miss it. Admit it. The show and tell. It's kind of awesome. And you're going to make sure that your show and tell is 20 seconds long because, so someone's got to like kind of do this. Not really, but think it. Because the important part is not just you telling, but it's for you to get feedback. So for those of you in your group, you got to think of a question. And then whoever was the teller, talkie, they get to pick one person in their circle. So I pick you. You, Miss Russ. I pick you. And then I got to say my question. So my question might be, how'd you make that? Right? Whatever my question is. But it's got to be about your art. And then as the teller, I have another 20 seconds to answer their question. And then it's the next person's turn. Now, how do I decide who's in my group? Because my best friend is not cleaned up yet, and I really want her to be in my group. We're all friends here, and if we only are with the same people every single time, we're not going to learn anything. So, your group is made up of those people who are at the mat who aren't yet in a group. And that's it. Be cool. Don't wait, and be inclusive. In other words, say, hey friend, come join our group. We're a group of 3, and we'd be happy to make a group of 4. As soon as you're seated and sharing, then your group is closed to any new members, and they would wait until the next group of 2, 3, or 4 is formed. I will also be participating in the Think and Shares as soon as I've checked that we're all cleaned up.